help myself not to. I will be your wife, best friend, and your brave little toaster. And we will conquer life's battle and take on this journey together. Let's keep bringing out the best in each other like what we've been doing in the past 5 years. I can't wait to start this life together and begin this lifetime of love for each other. I will be yours forever and always.
Was it difficult to come up with something as beautiful as that? Parang one of the nicest wedding vows I've ever heard.
Thank you, Butch. The thing was, I've always been a procrastinator eh. Always put last minute talaga. Nung medyo nagkaka-alone time na ako, umupo na ako dun sa isang sulok and then I started concentrating na nga, writing on it. And then, siguro natapos ko siya in an hour and a half. I was able to do the vows.
Actually, I started writing it last night then. And then, parang at the middle of writing it, I felt so tired and sleepy. Sabi ko, ay hindi, tulog ko muna para fresh mind. Pero it was bugging me, so by 5 in the morning, gising na ako. And I started doing it again.
And ang brides usually, di ba, they want their weddings perfect. Are you happy with the results?
Of course, very happy. Exactly how I wanted it to be. From the gowns, to the look of the place, to how we said our vows to each other, to... Parang I pictured it. Tapos picture perfect. It turned out to be the way we wanted it to be. So, there.
We're just very thankful also to all the people who helped. Especially si Pastor. I mean, he hasn't done a wedding in 5 years.
Sa espesyal na okasyong ito, nagkasama-sama hindi lang ang nagkalayo-layong miyembro ng pamilya Eigenman, maging ang kaibigan at ilan pang nagmamahal sa isa sa pinakamalaking angkan sa showbiz.
I'm very happy. I'd like to thank you again for choosing me to be one of your ninangs. And I wish you all of God's blessings and happiness and a lovely family and a lovely marriage. I'm here for you. God bless you both.
Good life together, kids, and I pray na yung pagsasama nila will last forever.
Well, may they be blessed with joy, peace, and harmony.
So long as they keep Christ at the center of their home, that is what is important. And this is the beginning of what true life is all about. And embrace it, whatever comes.
Lots of joy and happiness.
We're here with you guys. I mean, whatever it is, it's...
Hey, Ryan, I knew this was gonna happen. This is the easy part. Let's see what happens after. Okay? Hold on.
And I wish you all the best and for you to live a happy life and healthy life together. We're all here for you. Love you.
It's a good thing that it happened and I'm happy for the couple.
Okay, so what can you say to your future sister-in-law? Bilas ang tawag doon, di ba?
Ganyan, walang ganyan.
Kathy.
But to Kathy and Ryan, of course, congratulations. Though I've known you for a few months pa lang, I know we'll get to know each other better. And I wish you all the best.
So, Kathy, you welcome officially to the family. We all love you. And of course, my brother, yeah, you did the right thing. And yeah, God bless. Kaya na yan. Congratulations, bro.
And for people who have been through this so-called adventure before, ito ang nais silang ipabaon kina Ryan and Kathy.
Ang message ko kay Ryan don't stop loving Kathy.
Hindi lagot siya.
Ay, wag niyang paiyakin.
It takes a lot of efforts and continuous nourishment to strengthen the relationship. And above all, put God in the center of your married life.
Okay, Kathy, alam mong matagal na kitang tinanggap sa pamilya ko. Matagal na kitang itinuring na isang tunay na anak. Thank you for your patience and thank you for loving my son with all your heart and with all your soul.
Ryan, ginugulat mo ako. You have grown up to be someone that I truly respect. I respect you as a person. I respect you as an individual. I did not realize that you will become the person you are today. I am very, very proud of you. Sana magtagal kayo. Ayoko na magsalita, baka kung anong pa masabi ko. I love you both. Kathy, I love you.
So Ryan and Kathy, please let everyone see that you have affection for one another, and you let them see that by kissing each other as if wala kami rito. Now would you please hug each other tightly? The kiss is your affection, your hug is you are inseparable. The ceremony is ended, we're all happy, praise the Lord.
Up now.
She was just very nice enough to accept my invitation as to be with me today.
It's an honor to be here and to meet the rest of the Eigenman clans.
Katulad ng kanyang naipangako, dumalo sa kasalan ng Ryan at Kathy Eigenman si Carla Abellana. Pinaunlakan ng dalaga ang imbitasyon ng kaibigan niyang si Jeff Eigenman.
Escort lang ito?
Siyempre, it's something very big for our family kasi it's unang apo nga si Ryan, so firstborn also, so pinakamatanda sa amin lahat. And siyempre, it's something really big. Siyempre, maganda kung may someone special you're with, di ba?
So in other words, Carla, he said special.
Alam naman ng lahat na naliligaw ako, di ba? So, given naman yun. Wala naman kaming tinatago. So, yun, that's the truth.
Okay. Nanliligaw pero nasang stage na, Carla?
Ask him kung nasa ng stage, no? But we're taking things slow and we'll see.
Welcome na ba talaga si Carla?
Yeah, I mean, ano naman sila, Jeff, they're good friends now. And then they, see each other every now and then. So I think they're good friends.
Ang special friendship na nagsimula sa Rosalinda ay nagpatuloy sa set ng telefantasyang The Last Prince, kung saan magkasamang muli ang dalawa.
Tell each other everything naman, lahat ng inisip namin, lahat ng nafe-feel namin. Open naman kami sa isa't isa. And we don't keep things from each other. As far as I know.
So, hindi pa kasama doon sa sinasabi nyo sa isa't isa na I love you?
Tanong mo siya.
So, mga eksena, ginagawa namin yan.
Now as we speak, can you say I love you?
Well, of course, I can say that I love her very much as a friend. We'll start from there. And of course, kung it will grow from there, syempre malalaman niyo din naman yun, di ba? Syempre, invited. Kung may wedding man, invited din kayo.
Sa gitna ng laban at katarungan para sa kapatid na si Robbie Rose, Rochelle Barameda, matagumpay na nairaos ang panganganak. Ang buong detalye, abangan. Up next!
Robin Padilla, umaming masaya sila ni Lizzie Kako na kasalukuyang nagbabakasyon sa bansa. Up next yan, dito lang sa Star Ko!
Issue yun, wala. Kami masaya, mga anak ko masaya, lahat kami masaya.